Good morning. I woke up this morning and I feel pretty good, so fingers crossed I will get through my meetings. I'm on my way to my meetings. I still have a cough, but I feel like I got a good night's sleep. I don't feel like I was having, fits of coughing or anything. So hopefully I can get through everything, because something I didn't mention whenever I was recapping what today was going to be in my vlog yesterday is I have a hand chimes rehearsal at like 5:15 today, because there is a piece of music that I want to do with our middle schoolers on hand chimes. I'm hoping I have all the parts covered. I am very glad I brought my sunglasses, because I just had a hunch that I would get out of my meetings, out of my time working at the church, and it would be sunny. And I was correct. I'm still feeling okay right now. I am starving because it is 2 o'clock and I need to eat. But we had a staff meeting last week. We skipped. We didn't have a staff meeting because Pastor Angela was out of town. And so our meeting went pretty long, actually. And then I had all sorts of prep that I had to do and copies I had to make and things like that. So, man, I feel like I've been at the church forever, and I'm going to be going back in just a couple of hours for my hand chime rehearsal. So Wednesday is always crazy. Wednesday is just a busy day. Okay, I have not gotten a clip for a little while. We just had a rehearsal, a hand chime rehearsal. It was really, really good. And I do think we're going to be ready to play the song sooner rather than later. So that is definitely a good thing. So right now we are between things. I'm going to take Gabriel to Noodles and Company and take myself to Noodles and Company and get something to eat before he has to go to Scouts. Oh, something that happened pretty much, wow, it's really bright. As soon as I got finished with my other clip after my meetings, I walked inside the house. I opened up my email. Okay, what is this guy doing? I'm going straight. So, I opened my email, and Gabriel here has what the industry calls a check avail. So checking his availability for something that he auditioned for. It does not guarantee that he has been cast. It just is he has made it to a very good place in the casting process, and that is pretty exciting because it's a feature film and it films somewhere fun. So we'll see how that plays out. Alrighty, I am headed to pick Gabriel up. I went and I worked out. I slowly did the elliptical and I also slowly did some stationary bike. So I feel like I am almost normal again. I did not have a coughing fit. I did not sneeze. I am the true test is going to be, I've been out a lot today. I have not been at the house. And if I get back to our house and my nose is itching and my eyes are watering and I'm sneezing, I think it's safe to say that I am definitely suffering from really bad allergies in our house, and I'm pretty sure I know what that's from. He's singing to Ethan. He's very happy. It is right before bedtime, and he's just singing and singing. He loves your phone. What is it with the phone? Is there a picture of him on there?
No, it's bowling.
Oh. He's singing to your bowling scores. Final clip.
Beat you.
Final clip.
Final clip.
Okay.
Still second.
Yeah. All right. So tomorrow is Thursday. Had to think for a second. Like, what day is it? Wednesday is so busy that it feels like a couple of days, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So, tomorrow there's choir practice. Gabriel said maybe he wants to go work out at the gym with me. So maybe we'll do that in the afternoon. I don't know. Ethan had mentioned maybe bowling. I don't know. He really wants me to get clips of him bowling sometime because he's been working on his form, like, and something is off with his form, so he wants to get footage of that. So hopefully we can do that. If not tomorrow, then I'll be able to go on Saturday morning. I don't know. Anyway, so that is all that is on the calendar. So until tomorrow.
Hasta mañana.